Hello again and welcome to another CMD Administrator Live2D tutorial. Now, today's going to be a rather short tutorial. It's going to be on how to open up Live2D's Android SDK so that you can have it on your phone. So, instead of using Eclipse, I'm going to be using Android Studio here. So, here's what you're going to do just to get started in case you're a complete newbie. You're going to click on Android Studio and SDK tools. Click on download Android Studio for Windows, follow the instructions, and you're going to want to also download the SDK. So Android Studio SDK. And once that's all done, you know, it's looking good, it's looking pretty. You're going to get this folder, Live2D for Android SDK. Alright? So I'm going to drop this on my desktop real quick. And I'm going to open up Android Studio. So basically, I don't work with Java a lot at all. I don't work with Java, XML, or pretty much anything this application's using. And so it was a bit difficult for me to try to figure out how to do this. So you guys are going to see my preloaded application already in here. And that's with me toying around to see if I could get my motions to play. But anyways, we're gonna go up here and open up a new project. If it will stop bugging out for me. There we go. New import project. Go to import project, and on your desktop you're gonna see where it says Live2D Android SDK, or wherever you extracted it. So first of all, my class is already created here for Android SDK. But once you click OK, click on Create Project from existing sources. Name it whatever you want. Make sure that the project location is set to the SDK. Click Yes. Well, you know, you won't have an overwrite because it'll be the first. All this will be here. Click OK. Click Next again. Click Next again. Overwrite, because you know you guys won't have that. I'm using JDK 1.7 right now instead of 1.8, but it should pretty much be the same. So I'm going to click next and finish up, and I'm going to open it up in a new window here. So when you first get started, down here it's all going to be compiling and stuff. It's all going to get ready and make itself look good. But this exception right here is due to the Android not being set up, due to the emulation not being set up. So, and there's a reason down here in the bottom right corner I have my phone. So I'm going to go over here to, to run, and I'm going to go to edit configurations. And I'm going to add a new configuration for an Android application. So with this, I'm going to have it set to I'm gonna have sample app 1. That's gonna be the starting application. These are all 4 different applications. So far I've only used benchmark, sample app, and 1 in simple because I can't get live wallpaper to work on my phone. So we're gonna choose USB device, but here's where you select your USB device or emulator, and that should be good. So we click OK, and let's go ahead and try to build. Or, you know what, let's try to run. So down here you can see what it's doing. It's kind of like NetBeans, where it gives you a live explanation of what's happening. So here, keep in mind my phone's on a bit of delay, so I'm going to be talking through the application opening on my phone. It's on like a, if I had to take a 30-second, 40-second delay. But that shouldn't be a problem for us. So, during this, you're going to notice that, oh, there it goes. It's open on my phone. And I'm just going to give a bit of a demo so that we don't have to wait around. Basically, where it's looking right now is where I'm touching it. So in a second here on my phone, you guys are going to see me interacting with it. And until then, you guys are going to see it pop up on my phone because that's how ADB works, in case you guys aren't used to app development on it. There it is right now. So basically, everything's working in working order. I'm still figuring out how to edit it due to there not being very much documentation quite yet. I know that it's using, I believe that it's using OpenGL right now. And I'm probably going to be creating a tutorial for each of these. Like, I already have Unity done, now Android's done. Next, I might do, I might just do flat out C++, but I'm not sure yet. So hopefully you guys get this working on your phone. If you guys have any questions, ask it below in the comments. And that's about it. Enjoy your day.